Foresight is a published Python developer tool. A user installs it once with pip. The core workflow is deliberately simple. Set up Foresight once per repository, then open Codex normally. The other commands expose local history, replay, diagnostics, and the dashboard. This is the one-time repository setup. Foresight previews its project local Codex integration. A skill, local MCP contract tools, lifecycle hooks, static protected path rules, and local audit storage. It does a host. After this, normal daily use is just Codex. Foresight does not ask the user to wrap every coding prompt in a separate command. Now I open Codex normally. Foresight is available through its local Codex integration. Before the edit, Foresight uses GPT 5.6 Terra for one structured contract compilation. It returns a policy limited to one file, a tier, an effort recommendation, verification phases, action budget, fan-out budget, and an escalation rule. The allowed edit goes through, and Codex verifies it with a file-scoped Python compile. Every core component of Foresight was implemented by Codex. The interception engine that monkey patches file, subprocess, and network calls before they execute, the policy engine that converts a plain English task scope into enforceable rules, the predictor that routes tasks to the right model tier, and the session monitor running 4 distinct detection mechanisms for scope drift, hard budget ceilings, and uncontrolled sub-agent spawning. Codex also built the full benchmark suite that validates the system's own predictions, and I used it to debug real issues, including a callback bug found only when testing against the live Codex CLI. GPT 5.6 Terra is the runtime reasoning engine, not just a build time tool. Every task prediction, every generated policy, and every ambiguous action judgment is a real structured GPT 5.6 call. Cost tracked live and streamed to the dashboard. This is backed by real benchmarks. 14 out of 15 correct tier predictions, 9 out of 10 adversarial prompt injection attempts caught, and 1 committed OpenAI response ID as tamper-evident proof these are genuine calls, not mocked results. The work is finished, but the audit is durable and local to this repository. This is the persisted final report. The contract state, actual actions, signals, final outcome, and exact token-derived cost of Foresight's own GPT calls. The dashboard reloads the same completed contract after Codex exits. It shows the policy, action timeline, scope pause, final report, and model cost. Codex's own quota is labeled unavailable because Foresight does not invent billing data that Codex does not expose programmatically. Foresight makes Codex work more predictable. Decide the boundary first, observe the session locally, and leave an audit trail when the task ends.